The Food Service Exchange presents.
Hi, I'm Chris Devlin from Devlin's Country Bistro and Catering in Mount Pleasant. You know, have about a 65-seat restaurant, a nice martini lounge, and a lot of catering. A lot of our catering functions are intense because we are in a rural area, and the Crown Verity is a large component of every function. You know, we have one of the 5-burner units, and it works fabulously. Easy to transport, the recovery on it is wonderful, and the cleaning is fabulous. We really couldn't get by without it. In fact, I like it so much I have one at home. For our functions, we really need to have a piece of equipment that's going to be reliable and keep up with our needs. Everything needs to be instantaneously sort of prepared, and the Crown really does that job for us. It shows well, it functions fabulously. You know, compared to what some may think is a good barbecue, there's just really no comparison. Crown Verity and Devlin's have had a relationship for 20 years, and it's been fabulous working together. The service that they give is second to none, and any chef that would have the opportunity to go and take a look at their facility, I would encourage you to do it. The proof is in the pudding right there. It's made me a lot of money. The amount of functions that I've done that, from everything from barbecuing pizza to duck breast, it really is phenomenal. And I think that it has to be part of your artillery, for sure.